Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over all the tips and tricks you need to know about couponing. We're going to be talking about the do's and don'ts. We're also going to be talking about the coupon math. And we're also going to go over tips that you need to know for each store that I shop at. So if you're ready to fill your head with a bunch of coupon knowledge, just keep watching. Before we get started, I'd like to ask you all, if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe, hit the little bell, turn on the post notifications so you get a notification anytime I post a video. Also, if you don't mind, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. And if you'd like, please leave a comment down below, even if it's just a little smiley face, to let me know you were here. We have quite a bit of information to go over, so let's go ahead and get started. The very first tip I have for you is to use coupons on items that are on sale. Our goal is to always maximize our savings. That is why you want to buy things that are on sale and use coupons on those items. Say I have a coupon for my all-time favorite cereal, and it is regular $4.99. I have a $1 off any one box of that cereal. If that cereal is not on sale and I use my $1 off coupon, I would be paying $3.99 for that one box of cereal. Granted, we are saving money, but we want to save the most money that we can. So instead, we wait till that cereal goes on sale, 2 for $4. That is when we use our $1 off coupon, and we would pay $3 for 2 boxes of cereal. Now, if you had 2 coupons, you could use 2 coupons, one for each box of cereal, and then you would only pay $2 for 2 boxes of cereal, or $1 per box. And that is why you want to wait to use your coupons when the item is on sale. My next tip is a very important one. It's going to save you lots of time. My suggestion is to use coupon matchup websites. I'm just going to put my 3 favorite websites that I use up here. You can take a screenshot of it, save it, and keep it in your phone. I'm not going to go over all 3. You can go through and kind of check out their websites on your own, but I am going to give you some tips from the southernsavers.com website. It is my personal favorite. When you head over to that website, you're going to see a coupon database. This thing is amazing. It helps you find any coupon you could possibly need. If there's one out there, it's probably listed there. You just type in the item. It'll pull up there's an internet printable version of it. It'll pull up there's an insert version of it. It'll pull up if you can get it from their website. It tells you pretty much anywhere you can locate that coupon. Another great feature on their website is if you go up to the top, there's an item search. You click on item search, type in the item you're looking for. It'll tell you if it's on sale anywhere this week. Also at the top of their website, you can go to stores, click on the store that you shop at. It'll give you a list of coupon matchups for things that are on sale. If the item has a little acorn beside it, that is a stock up item. That means it's a rock bottom price item. You are definitely going to want to click it. You click the checkbox beside the items you're interested in. It'll make a grocery list for you, and it'll make a list of all the coupons that you need. And there's my quick breakdown of southernsavers.com. So spend a little time, go check out these 3 websites. It will save you so much time in the long run, and right now you have time to study up and figure it out. One thing you'll learn during couponing is you cannot be a brand snob. Now, don't get me wrong, there are certain brands I absolutely do not like, such as Angel Soft Toilet Paper. In my own personal opinion, Angel Soft Toilet Paper is the absolute worst. But if it's free or cheap, I will definitely get it, and it would be perfect for some kind of instance like a pandemic. So if you really want to build a stockpile, it's best not to be 100% brand loyal to a certain brand. Unless, of course, it's something like you're allergic to it and just can't use it. And my next very important tip is to make sure you use rebate apps. There are literally so many rebate apps you can pick from, but I would suggest pick 1 or 2 because rebate apps can take up a lot of time. These are the 2 rebate apps I use. These are ones you're going to hear most about on my channel. So why not go ahead and mention them again? Fetch Rewards is my favorite app to use. It is actually the easiest app to use. You literally just have to scan your receipt and you earn money from doing that. So if you have not downloaded Fetch yet, you should go ahead and do that and use my referral code VRYQQ. You will get $2 when you scan your first receipt, so that's super easy, free money. Also, if you haven't downloaded iBody yet, you should go ahead and do that. Use my referral code RWOENV as in Victor, T as in Tom. With iBody, you actually have to go in and select offers. Then when you purchase offers that you've selected, you get a rebate on them. A lot of the time, iBody will offer free products. So basically, you select the offer, then you go into the store, buy the product, and they give you the full amount of the product back. The more offers you redeem, you get bigger bonuses. So go ahead and download the app, use my referral code, and when you scan your first receipt and redeem your first offer, you will receive $10. I don't know about you, but for me, all money is good and free money is better. Now, my next tip is a very important one to listen to. You do not have to use every coupon. Just because there's a coupon for it does not mean you have to use it. It is okay to throw away a coupon. Sometimes the coupon value is just not that great, and sometimes there's not any sales that align up with the coupon. Moving along to my next tip, do not clear the shelves. At the grocery store, sales usually circle around every 6 weeks or so. So just get you enough to get you through 6 weeks, and then in 6 weeks when the sale comes back around, then you'll be ready to buy some more. That's the great thing about having a stockpile. You don't have to go clear the shelves because you get a little bit of it each week. And then when something happens like a hurricane or a pandemic and people need toilet paper, they have to run out and pay full price for the toilet paper, and they clear the shelves while you are sitting at home staring at your stockpile. I live in Florida, so cleared shelves are a very common thing around here. Anytime hurricane season rolls around, everybody goes into complete panic mode and buys up all the water, toilet paper, and anything else they can find. It's kind of ridiculous. My next tip is a pretty simple one. It's get in, get out. Do not go to the store unprepared. Always have a plan, know what you're there to get, then get it and go. Impulse shopping always leads to overspending. For me, the CVS and Walgreens sales start on Sunday. I prefer to go to the store on Monday. For one, it lets CVS and Walgreens get over all the little kinks for the week. Waiting till Monday gives you the opportunity to wait and see which register wards aren't printing for other people, what items aren't given points like they're supposed to, and that way I can spend Sunday going through my coupons, figuring out what I need for my trip for the next day, and printing out any internet coupons I need to print because they come out on Sunday mornings. So I just like spending Sundays getting ready for my shopping trips. And my final tip is pretty simple: stack, stack, stack. If you want to maximize your savings, you're going to have to learn to stack coupons. Basically, that means you're going to find the item on sale, you're going to put a manufacturer coupon with it, and you're also going to put a store coupon with it. You're going to match it up with rebates and also stored bonuses, such as register rewards, balance points, gift cards, anything along those lines. Okay guys, I don't want this video to run over the 10 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and stop here. Tomorrow when I come back, we will go over everything we need to know for each store that I shop at, such as CVS, Walgreens, Family Dollar, Dollar General, Publix, and Walmart. Sunday's video is going to be a Q&A. I'm going to be answering all the questions that y'all have asked, so if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. That way I can get them in on Sunday's video. Once again, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell, turn your notifications to all so you can get a notification anytime I post a video. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. If you're not yet following me on TikTok, you can go follow me over there at My Couponing Life. Or if you have Instagram, you can follow me there at My Couponing Life on YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right off of here. I will see you tomorrow, and until next time, bye.